Welcome to our kitchen oasis. Today I'm going to show you how to recreate Tokyo banana. Tokyo banana is a banana-shaped sponge with banana custard filling. It's a cute little treat you can make. First you make banana custard. I've got one ripe banana in a bowl and you just mush it. You may have noticed that I am from Japan, and when I go to Japan I always buy Tokyo banana. But this year, unfortunately, we can't go to Japan, so I'm recreating the Tokyo banana in my country. So just mash it as much as possible, like this. Now banana is nice and pasty. It doesn't have to be smooth, but just pasty like this. Now you're going to add sugar, 1 egg, and vanilla extract. And flour. Mix well. You might want to change this to whisk. Mix it well, like this, and then slowly add milk as you mix. Now set a sieve on top of a saucepan, and to remove the lump I'm gonna push this banana through the sieve. So you push the bananas through the sieve as much as possible so that you have all the banana in the custard. So scrape the bottom of the sieve, and now you're ready to cook. Now you're going to cook the custard medium heat and stir it constantly like this. And please use a heat-proof spatula for this one. And make sure that you scrape the bottom really well on the edge as well, so that there's no big lump or burnt bits in the custard. Once it starts to thicken, it won't take long. So make sure you scrape the bottom really well so that it doesn't get lumpy. Once it's getting fairly thickened like this, you can turn the heat off and mix really well. Now the custard is nice and smooth and cooked, so we're ready for the next step. Now you're going to pour the custard into a shallow bowl so that it cools quickly. Because this has egg and milk, it goes off quickly, so you just try to minimize the chance of food poisoning, so you try to cool it as quick as possible and put the cling wrap touching the surface so that it does not form the skin, and put this in the fridge and cool it until the sponge is ready. So this is the sponge, exactly the same as the Swiss roll recipe, but baked in a smaller tin so that it's a little bit thicker. So you peel off the cling wrap. You don't have to worry about these brown bits because it's going to be inside. So you cut in to 6 pieces on this cake. So this tray is 22 centimeter by 30 centimeter roughly. So it's about 11 centimeters by 10 centimeters. But it doesn't have to be this shape. Roughly squared's fine. Now you're going to slice the cake in half. So you score it halfway, like this. So you can use this as a guide. So you have 2 pieces like that. Now you're going to roll the sponge with the banana custard in it. On the cling wrap, you place the sponge and good looking side on the bottom so that it goes outside. And you put the banana custard on this end close to you. Then you roll it. And then wrap it with the cling wrap. And then twist it like a candy. And you put the sticky tape on it so that it doesn't come off. You put this in the fridge for overnight because it's much nicer when it's chilled. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.